All right, my friends, welcome back to a new video. And today we will talk all about the Floot on the .com. As many of you already know, I have created a website platform called the LinkSpot. So what actually happens in it is that specifically, for example, if you have a lot of social media channels, all the links, whatever you have, you can put them all in a single link. You can put them all in a single link. For example, if first I am going to navigate over here and open up my personal website in the browser. This platform is called the linkspot.com. Okay, so what exactly is this site all about? Website does is however many links you have, your main links, for example, YouTube, your link, your Twitter link, your X link, your Instagram link, and your Facebook link. Very quickly, this social media platform, it automatically creates a page for you where you can easily put all of your important social and web links. So let me give you a quick example. If I go ahead and log into my account right here, I'll log into the account and show you. This is a platform I built on my own, so you can use it too. For the first 100 users, access will be completely unlimited. I even went ahead and created my very own custom page for it. So as you can see right now, there's only one. The link with my name on it is right here. When we go ahead and click to open it up, you can see that on this single web page, there are actually quite a lot of different links appearing all at once for you to look at. So this is very beneficial because, for example, if you look at YouTube or on Instagram, whenever you decide to add a new link, you can only add one link. You are simply not permitted to add a wide variety of different links. But on a YouTube page, you can add a lot of links. But in my opinion, this is a very organized and a good way if you want to create a page like this by adding your links. Then the benefit you'll get is that, as you can see here, you can also collect newsletters where people subscribe to you, allowing you to capture their email addresses. But on YouTube, there's nothing like that. And on Instagram as well, there's nothing like that. So that's why I created a platform. Although such a platform already exists, it's called linktree.com, but I'm going to make it a bit better. It will be a bit simpler and better, and it will also have this feature. Plus, it's completely free as well. You can add up to 5 links on it, absolutely free. But if you want to add more links, then you'll have to get the pro plan. But even 5 links is quite a lot. So you can use this platform. Its URL is visit the linkspot.com. So if we go over here and see if we have 2 links, I'll show you exactly how that works by creating another link right now. So what I'll do is I'll just click right here on add link, so we get another tab. When we click add link, another tab will appear. So I'll name it X, which, as you know, was previously called Twitter. Now in this section here, we'll go ahead and write x.com. You can see that now you'll have to go directly to your X account so you can copy the link from there. So how exactly do you achieve that? It is actually quite simple. For example, now if I decide to go over here, just take a look to give you a much clearer idea of how this works in practice. For instance, if I decide to navigate over to this specific section right here, you can see exactly how the interface responds and what happens next on the screen. This is my Twitter. So if I go here now, if I navigate over to my profile, once I am there on my profile page, you can clearly see right here that the link right here is that is the link, right? So what I'll do here is I will make a copy of it right now. After copying the data, I am going to move my cursor over to this specific area of the screen and paste the information directly into this field. Now that the content is successfully placed here, you can see that my workspace has been updated, which allows us to proceed with the rest of the configuration for this project. And now the link is successfully saved as well. Now I'll go right here to my link. And on top of all that, my graphics card is acting up and having some issues. Just give me a second here. Right now, I'm going to try and fix it. Go here, and when I refresh it, you'll see that the X icon has finally appeared on the screen. Now, if I simply click right here, it will take me there, yes, to my account, all right? So now, if you go ahead and join it right away, it's completely free, but moving forward, my current plan for the future is to make it pro, yes. But it is going to remain free as well as pro simultaneously, all right? So now what we'll do is change it a little bit. I'm going to make a small change to this and I will just give it a quick refresh. Now let's go back to what we were doing. So here I've added themes, all right? I also made all of this using the same platform. Everything is fine. This dashboard, the website, the landing page, I made all of it from the same place, from plot.com. All right, I put the link in the description and I'll also pin it in the comments. If you get it from that location, then you will receive 100 credits for free. With 100 credits, you can make quite a lot, all right? So if you want to get it, it's in the description, or I'll pin it in the comments. It'll be there. You can go through the link from there. You can easily get it and you can subscribe. There's a free version and a pro version as well, all right? If you use the free version, you'll still get 100 credits, all right? So now what I really need to do is if I go to its landing page, if I go there, look at its landing page, it's really amazing. I found the whole thing really quite impressive. And to be clear, these are my very own personal rates. Yes, these are my prices. All right, but I'm thinking I'll change this. I'll set it to 0. Maybe I'll keep it up to 5 links and it's all completely free. Here, there will be unlimited links, but this business, I'll change it. I'll change it from here. All right. So take a look. It is actually very simple for this. I'll go here. After carefully considering all the different possibilities, I think I have finally decided that I am just going to go ahead and settle on 2 for now, as that really seems like the most logical and sensible choice for me to make right now. So there are actually 2 different subscription plans available for you to choose from. One of them is completely free of charge for everyone, while the other premium option is priced at exactly $9.99 per month, all right? But before we move on, let's take a closer look at what each of these specific tiers offers you. Go ahead and implement this specific change across the entire platform. And then if you take a moment to navigate over and look at the main landing page, you will see that I have carefully written down all the relevant details right here in this section for your review and consideration. What I need to change. Now you can do it right here. So now this is done. And now what will it do? It will analyze my request and then it will carry it out. Is that all right? Across the entire website. So what should we do next? We have to be patient and wait for a little while longer, but it is going to take some more time before we can proceed. Until it finishes this week. In the meantime, what we do is go to our website. We go to our website and here we explore it a little bit, just a bit more. So if you want to join, then you will get the pro. This plan, is available for free, which is great. Will only be available to the first 100 users. Only they will get it for free. After that, you will only get it for free. After that, you can still join for free, but you will only be allowed 5 links in it. If you want to go pro, then in that you will have unlimited user links. Okay. So if you have any suggestions, if you want me to add any particular feature to this platform, okay, if you have any thoughts on this platform, then you can let me know in the comments below. What else should I add to it? If there's anything else I should include, then I will definitely look into it. And if I find that I really like that specific feature, then I will definitely also implement it myself. All right, so I have to say that I am truly impressed with this tool, flock.com. Some of these aspects are, people say, bro, this is a wrapper. But from a practical standpoint, a wrapper doesn't really make any sense at all. Wrappers are like this, just like this one, flock.com or lovable.com. These are wrappers, or maybe they're for codecs, or maybe they work with Claude Code, but I do not necessarily agree with that. Because if we consider the fact that if you use codecs or if you use it, for example, Claude Code, in that you have to do a lot of things, doing it all manually, right? So here, take a look at this. It's still doing all of this completely on its own. See, Stripe checkout, the payment form, I don't have to say any of this, but when you use codecs or Claude Code, you have to do it yourself. You have to do it yourself, even though it's a bit more convenient in terms of price, a little bit. But in that, you have to do a lot more yourself. You do less in this, but over there, you don't get this kind of feature where it just builds everything for you. It works exactly like this and hands it over to you. So you get that Stripe payment where you have to enter the Stripe API keys and the payment keys as well. It doesn't tell you how. You have to go and figure it out yourself. Like, hey, yes, you need to put it here, right? So you have to go and find it yourself. If you're not technical, you could face a lot of trouble. If you're not technical, But with platforms like float.com or at lovable.com, they really hold your hand through everything and guide you and help you cross the road, so to speak, right? But with a development tool like Cloud Code or even PodX, you have to handle the deployment process and cross the road yourself. You see? So I've been hearing from a lot of people talking about all these things in their videos. But the real question I want to know is that when it comes to cost, things can start to get incredibly expensive. However, Float.com still isn't expensive, right? That's a good thing about Float.com. It's not expensive like that. Lovable is expensive, but this one isn't expensive like that. All right, so if you use Loot.com for free, you'll end up agreeing with me too. You should really just try using it once. The link is right down there in my description for you. And I've also pinned it in the comments. So you can go there and check it out. So look, right now this is working perfectly fine. On the left side, as you can see, it's working absolutely nonstop up till now. That's because it knows exactly what it is required to do. So it is algorithm on the back end is designed in such a way that it knows everything, what the mistake is, what the error is, what needs to be done and what doesn't. But up until this point, at least when I've actually used Codex and Claude Code, they are both really good, even price wise. You can do quite a lot with them, but you really have to take care of everything on your own in that way. You have to handle it all yourself, right? So now look, it has completed everything. So now it's telling us what it did. It said, now that everything is now fully complete, you can see that across the entire website, it has implemented all these changes. Now, it has stated that look, you get it for free, but only one page will be there. There will be 5 links. That's it. There will be analytics, but that's it. But in the pro version, which is $9.99, I just looked at it and in one command I said it implemented everything. So in that, there will be unlimited pages, unlimited links, premium themes, advanced analytics, advanced link scheduling, branding removal, a custom domain, and priority support. Okay. So all of this comes with it and is included. Okay. So now if we scroll down, you'll see it has done everything. Wherever it needed to remove something, it did. Wherever it needed to implement something, it did. Now, what I'll do is I'll go here to publish. Now, let's go ahead and click on the publish button. This part of the process will also take a little bit of time to finish, and I expect it might take about 2 to 3 minutes to complete because it's managing and processing every single detail in a very, in a very sophisticated and technical manner deep within the system on the back end. All of this is being handled simultaneously. That's a really good thing about it, right? So until that moment finally arrives, let's head over to our website and take a closer look together to see what else we can implement in it right now. So I think if you happen to be watching this video, I want to tell you one very important thing, that this is an exceptionally good and opportune time for you to do well and find great success in this field, because you can do remarkably well and thrive here, especially since this market isn't going to last for a long time. I think because AI is advancing at such a rapid pace that the way ahead, the way we're working today in just 6 months to a year, all of this will change completely. Things will become even easier. And then there will inevitably come a time when you'll just tell AI to do something and it will do everything for you. Then these things won't have any value left. That is precisely why I'm saying that if you are watching these videos right now, this is a great opportunity for you. You should learn how to use AI, learn to create tools with AI. And if you have any problem in your mind, solve it using AI, and then you can even market that tool, right? So this is a really good opportunity for you to do things like this. It might be that you don't even realize that you could create something, maybe make an app or try to build a website that solves a specific challenge at a very micro niche level. And if it truly solves that particular problem, then your original idea, could really work. Your idea could truly take off in a big way, as they say. And if you work a regular 9 to 5 job, or if you currently don't have a job, or if there's some other situation, then if you create a tool like this, it can, as the saying goes, assist you in finding a way out of that difficult situation. Because the core point to remember is, if you solve a problem and you effectively market it, then you can create real value. You can do it, and then you can earn a lot of money from it. If you actually make money, then obviously the kind of extreme poverty, or what you can call the struggle, will start to fade away. The lower middle class, or whatever it is that you can get out of that. So the point is, you should take advantage of this opportunity. So what do we do now? Now look here, this is almost completely finished, but let's see, it is nearly done, although it is still actively running right now. Sometimes it actually takes about 3 to 4 minutes for the process to finish. It takes quite a bit of time because the system has to push every single piece of data up to the remote server. So it naturally takes a little while to complete. Then, once that is all done, what we do next is we then process it. And following that, I'm currently creating a wide variety of videos in this app. If you want to keep yourself fully updated on my latest content, you can hit the subscribe button to follow my channel. Now you see it has finally done it. Now I'm going to refresh it. Now we are going to head further down to take a closer look. And as you can clearly see, it has finally finished the process. The reading is exactly 9.0, number 99. Okay, let's see. So in Pro, I upgraded it just simply because since I am the admin here. So right now, just take a look. All of the links have appeared here. Additionally, you can also sell them even further. Are located on the top number row. These keys, arrows here, you can click on them. If you want to move X higher up, then X will move up here to this specific position. You can also preview all of your changes right here in this window. Okay, so I think that is just about everything we have for today, because I still have a lot of features to fix and add to this. So if you want updates, then you can subscribe to me. You can also learn a lot by visiting my channel. If you go to my channel, I've uploaded a lot of videos there. That way you can head over there and watch every single one of my videos. What changes are coming in AI? As we can all see, things are moving at an incredibly rapid pace. AI is moving at, what can I say, an unprecedented lightning speed. It's advancing rapidly. AI is really taking off. So I think you should stay updated in this field. Otherwise, you'll be left far behind. All right. So see you in the next video. Take good care of yourself. Thank you very, very much.